Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Pamela, and you are watching Pam Entertainment TV, where we review movies, television series, and incidents in pop culture to see how those incidents affect our daily life. Listen, this is going to be really, really quick. This is just an update on the Jonathan Majors case. I told you all that I would keep you all updated, and once again, we have another delay. According to The Insider, written by Lori Italiano, the Manhattan DA ready to try Marvel's Jonathan Majors on misdemeanor domestic violence charges. The trial date still not set. It says prosecutors say that they are ready to try Mr. Majors of his domestic violence case in New York City. I am reading off my iPad. The Marvel actor attended a brief hearing virtually, so he didn't show up in court. He was there virtually. It says at the brief hearing that Majors attended virtually, Assistant Director Attorney Callie Galloway said that the District Attorney's Office is ready to try the actor on charges that he attacked his girlfriend as they argued in a Lower Manhattan street. The charges allege that he cut her ear and punched her in the head and broke her right middle finger. We've had those charges. The defense lawyer, Seth J. Zuckerman, suggested Wednesday that Major's side is not satisfied that the district attorney has shared all the evidence it's obligated to turn over before any ready-for-trial declaration. The parties returned to court September 15th to set an actual date. So what it sounds like to me, and again, my lawyer friends, y'all chime in. You remember at the last hearing, they said that the prosecution has said that they're still in discovery, right? And so the judge gave them a month to do that and probably gave them a time date in which they were supposed to turn in all the information. They didn't turn in all the information, and the defense sent a letter or a notion over to the prosecution saying they haven't turned in all the information. Because they must have looked at the information, saw there was some discrepancies with the information that they had, there was something missing, or what have you. And so now the judge, I don't know if the judge is saying anything. It says, as the defense lawyer suggested, Major's side is not satisfied. And so the parties returned on September 15th to set an actual date. So September 15th is not going to be an actual court date. It's going to be a review if the prosecution has turned over all this new evidence. So I will tell y'all this. I'm not going to report back to you all until we have an actual trial. Until I see some information about an actual trial. Because all this right now is just lawyer stuff, in my opinion. And you just have lawyers going back and forth with lawyer speak and lawyer stuff. If you are an attorney, please drop it down in the comments about what's really going on, because if they were ready August 6th and the prosecution wasn't ready on August 5th, and here we are in September, August 3rd, and here we are in September, I don't know. So I don't know how that affects the timeline in regards to the speedy trial timeline that's set by New York State. I don't know how this affects it, because it's a time clock for the prosecution as far as if they're not ready. But if the defense makes the delay, I don't know if that time clock starts over again. I'm not really sure about that whole process. So y'all let me know down in the comments. Like I said, I'm not going to continue to report the delays. What I'll do is that once they start going to trial and I see something showing that they're going to trial, I will report that. But I'm not going to report the delays. I'm not going to dedicate a whole video on the delays. How about that? All right, people. If you like what you see, please comment and subscribe. All right. Hit that like button. Again, I'm still on my quest for 1,000 subscribers. But I'm also more on the quest of interactive subscribers. So, or interactive folks. So just please interact with me in the comments. Let me know what you think about these delays. It's been delay after delay after delay. And again, unless there is a complete trial, I'm not going to dedicate this like a whole video to it. All right, people. We do this every week. Okay? Was there any big pop culture news? Beyonce's concert, her birthday concert was there, and there was a whole lot of people at the birthday concert. Diana Ross and Kendrick Lamar came out. Absolutely wonderful. A lot of celebrities that I know, that I can recognize, was there. It was good. But anyway, let me know down in the comments what you're thinking about this next delay. Do you think it'll be delayed through November or through December? I'm thinking that it will. I'm thinking that this trial won't start until January, child, the way they delay it. All right, people. Bye.